Hi, in this video we will discuss about one of the most prominent and one of the eminent law college in India and have its rank in one of the top 10 best law colleges in India, that is Symbiosis Law School, or you can say Symbiosis Law College, Symbiosis Law School, anything. It was originally established in year 1977 and now it has branches in Noida, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Pune, and all these law schools, law colleges offer two types of LLB, that is BLLB and BBLLB of 5 years, that is 5-year integrated course. And the infrastructure part is also very good of this law school. And now let's come to entrance part. So if you want to get admission in this school, you have to give a SLAT, that is Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test, which is of 150 marks. And in addition to SLAT, you have to give a interview, that is personal interview and written ability test. So the SLAT part and these both, personal interview and SLAT, have 50% mark weightage, and SLAT has its 50% mark weightage, that is total in 100%. Means SLAT has its 50% weightage and written ability test plus personal interview has 50% weightage. So in total they have 100% weightage. So the SLAT exam, the syllabus of SLAT exam is having 5 things in it. First is English, so it is of 30 marks. Second is general awareness and current affairs, that is of 30 marks. Then analytical reasoning, it is also of 30 marks. Then legal reasoning, that is of 30 marks, and logical reasoning of 30 marks. In total it is of 150 marks. So this paper is of 150 marks and it is of 150 minutes. If you see the cutoff, it always remains around 90 to 110. So you try to score above that. Like if you are scoring 100, 105, 110, then you will get your admission in this college. And if you come to number of seats, all 4 places has different number of seats. If you come to BLLB, all the 4 places have 120 seats in them. Like BLLB in Noida has 120 seats, BLLB in Pune has 120 seats, in this way. But for BBLLB, in Pune and Noida there are 180 seats, and in Hyderabad and Nagpur there are 120 seats. So think as per that. And if it comes to fees part, like it is around 2.5 lakhs per annum, so something around that. It's not the exact figure, you can check it on official website as well. And other than this, if it comes to age limit, there is no age limit. Anybody can give this exam and anybody can get admission in this college or school. And for getting admission, you must have at least 45% marks in class 12th if you are general or OBC, and if you are SC or ST, then 40% are enough. If you are having 40% marks in class 12th, then you are eligible for giving entrance test. And if it comes to placement part, students get placement from campus, and if we see the average package which students usually get is around 9.5 lakh to 10 lakh, which is a good number for a law school. And we have discussed everything, I think, about this college. So if you want to get admission, just try this, that prepare for SLAT, and then your one personal interview will be conducted and a written ability test will be conducted. And if you will score good marks, then you will surely get admission into this college. And it is a well reputed college. It have good internship opportunities, good placement opportunities in future, and the moot court facility or moot court competitions or moot court teams of this particular school, law school, is very good and is a renowned moot court teams it have. So this is all about this college. We have discussed everything, whether it's infrastructure or its placement or its how we get admission in this. And if you want to apply, you can apply on its official website, which you can search on Google. You will get it and you can apply online, and your SLAT exam will also be conducted online. So this is all about Symbiosis Law School, and if you have any doubt, you can check it on official website of Symbiosis, and you can also comment in comment box. I will surely reply on that. And this is all for this. So if you like this video, please do like, and share with those people who want to know about Symbiosis Law School, and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video.